Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change Fiverr profile, your profile picture on Fiverr. Now this is going to be a quick video. First thing you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your normal Fiverr account. Okay, now after that, you wanna like switch to a selling account. If you haven't done that already, just click here. It says switch to a selling account. Okay, so after that, you want to click on the profile. You want to click on view profile. Okay, so after, guys, you click on view profile, then you want to click here on your profile picture, and you can just like add any profile picture here. For example, I'm going to add this profile picture. After that, you want to just click on it, and then it will change to the new profile picture. You can also make some changes to the description if you want to edit the description of your Fiverr account, or you can like change the languages here. You can add new language, you can add a new skill if you have like mastered a new skill like on your in Fiverr. Just click on add a new, and then you can add your new skill here. Now if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.